guys, this is Renzo and I finally made it to Istanbul after a 10-hour flight from Miami. I'm really excited. I hope that I have a little time to go out to the city and do a little shopping and look around. First of all, have my rhinoplastic done by Dr.Hanege. Thank you. Guys, this is amazing, and I'm about to try the most delicious food in Istanbul. Very authentic, very homemade, so I'll let you know how it is, but I'm really looking forward to it. So guys, I have arrived to this beautiful, small, little plaza decorated with Christmas lights, as you can see behind me, right in the heart of Istanbul, Turkey, and it's just beautiful. The weather is nice and chilly and cold, and I can feel the vibe of this Christmas spirit. Amazing. This is my last stage right before I go into for my rhinoplasty, primary rhinoplasty with Dr. Hanege. The check-in in the hospital was very comfortable, very nice, beautiful facility, really sweet nurses. They came in, they did a COVID test, they drew some blood to check right before surgery. And I'm very pleased with the service provided so far. I had a chance to meet Dr. Hanege briefly right before coming into the hospital, and I loved the personality. I loved, we had some sort of discussion on what kind of nose I want to. I came across his profile on Instagram, and it was just instantly one morning I was swiping through different pages, and I came across his, and I was very interested on the noses that he has done. Very difficult, very big noses, and he managed to achieve beautiful aesthetic noses that are pleasing to the eye, that will go with the features of the face. And that really caught my attention, and I just said, I'm going to Turkey to have my rhinoplasty done. This is something that I've been thinking for, I will say, maybe 30 years. I'm 38 now. I'm also a surgeon, and I never actually had the time off to have my nose done, but it's been always in the back of my mind, and I think that now is the time for me to do it, and I'm very happy for it. It bothers me, especially functional and aesthetically. The functionality of it, I can breathe properly. I'm a mouth breather, and I sound nasally sometimes when I speak. So all these little things in correlation with the nose has been bothering me, plus the shape a little bit, the profile and the front that I want to get fixed, and I'm sure that he will achieve beautiful results with that. As a doctor and seeing patients every day for different surgical procedures or cosmetic, they have a level of expectations on what they want, but sometimes what they want is not reasonable, and it's not what you can actually achieve for them. So it's really important right before surgery for the patient to have the right expectations when they go in. Your nose will be tailored according to the shape of your face and your eyes, and your face is divided into equal thirds, and the height of the nose and the length is adjusted according to your face. So you cannot pick a nose from a magazine and then put it directly into yours. Sometimes it's impossible. From the start, he said, this is what I think will look perfect on you. That will be suitable for the shape of your face and the lips and the chin and the eyes. and all that. So that's very important to also choose a doctor that has that knowledge, that's willing to do what's right for you and not what you actually want, but what suits you best.
Good morning. We did our last consultation with our patients. Our patient is a plastic surgeon. He came from the US. I'm used to do my colleague's surgery, but it's the first time that I will do a plastic surgeon colleague's rhinoplastic surgery, and it's my pleasure to do his surgery. His nose is pretty good. He has a hexagon and a droopy nose, and he has a bump, and our plan to talk with him. Our plan is to have a straight nose and a little bit rotation at the tip area, and we will give a good definition to tip area as well. Okay, let's see you at surgery. We just finished the surgery. It took like 3 hours, and now our crew is waking him up. After 5 days later, I will take off the chest and we will show him his new nose. Okay, see you there. Our surgery finished and our patient is at his room. I will show him his photos after surgery on the table photos. Okay, let's come in and let's see his reaction. Hi, Renzo.
Hi.
How are you?
Oh, I'm excellent.
Okay.
No pain, very comfortable.
Oh, it's good. So it's just, 15 minutes after surgery, after you wake up, so you look good. I want to show you your new nose.
Mm-hmm.
Are you wondering it? Okay.
Wow.
It's like our morph.
Wow, that's beautiful.
Can you see well?
Yes.
Okay.
Wow, amazing.
See you tomorrow morning.
Thank you so
Okay,
much.
bye-bye.
You have a good rest
Thank
of
you.
the day. Hi, good morning guys. My name is Dr. Renzo Cutolo, and today it's been 5 days since I had my primary rhinoplasty with Dr. Hanege, and he's going to take the cast off and I will see the beauty that's underneath. And I have the privilege to be the first patient to walk into his new clinic, which looks incredibly amazing. Thank you. It's beautiful, gorgeous, gorgeous clinic. Wow. Unbelievable. What an art. Dr. Hanege really has a beautiful eye for aesthetics, as he does with the noses, as he does to decorate this beautiful clinic for patients.
Hi.
Hi, Dr. Hanege. How are you?
Thank you very much. How are you?
Very good, thank you.
Okay, please take a seat.
I'm here at the clinic of Dr. Fatih Hanege, plastic surgeon in Istanbul. And today was the cast removal of 5 days after my primary rhinoplasty. And I will tell you, I'm in love with it because the dorsum is a little bit slower, the nose is straighter, the nostrils are a little bit more narrow, and the tip is in a higher position. And it just looks more aesthetically pleasing to the eye. And I'm very pleased with the new nose that I have.
This is my magic mirror.
I've seen that mirror
Yeah.
before.
Okay, take it.
Oh my God. Wow.
Your dorsal lines is very good.
Beautiful. It's been 5 days since my surgery and I had zero pain and zero discomfort at all. I didn't have to take any medications afterwards. I follow all the instructions as the doctor told me, the creams and the nasal sprays, and that was it. Totally comfortable. I slept. I follow the directions, and here I am. Minimal bruising and no swelling at all. He has performed beautifully on many difficult noses, Turkish noses, big and long, and he has turned them out just aesthetically beautiful and pleasing to the eye, the kind of nose that goes to the face. So I told myself, why not go to Turkey and see him and meet him and see how he can fix my nose? And here I am. And on top of that, I meet beautiful people and walk around the streets and see the culture and see the country while I'm recovering. From the moment I contacted Dr. Hanege staff, they have been very welcoming, very helpful, and I have been more than grateful to his staff, to the doctor himself, for getting me to this point on day 5 and cat's removal and my operation. It has been a beautiful transaction. I have felt very safe, very confident in his work, everything that surrounds his work, and all that is due to the beautiful staff that he has. And I want to give a special thank to World Estepon. Thank you.